Welcome. This is our first lesson about learning Portuguese. So I want to transmit this for you so that you can know a bit about Portuguese. This is my objective, this is my goal, and I'm hoping that you can get this what I'm transmitting for you. Why I'm here to help you from today until God need. Like this video, share and show to the others that me I begin with this job about transmitting Portuguese for you. So here we go. Our first lesson we are going to speak about vowels. So we are going to see vowels in Portuguese, how they are pronounced. I bring this paper just to show you how you can pronounce them. So we have here lição número 1, tema vogais, topic vowel. In English, you can find only 5. There are 5 vowels. So here in Portuguese is the same thing, no difference. We have here A, E, I, O, and U. How can we pronounce them in Portuguese? So if you want to say A in Portuguese, you say A, and if you want to say E in Portuguese, you say E, O, U. This is the way that they pronounce A, E, O, U. Show you how you can use them. For example, we have this word here, this word, this casa, casa. So this casa means, house. Casa, house. Prata, you see? Prata. Prata means silver. Pele, you see? Pele. Pele. It means skin. Pele. Pele. And this one too. Papel. Papel. This means what? Paper. Giz. 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 Okay? It means chalk to write on blackboard, Giz. Feliz. Feliz, like happy, Feliz. Feliz. If it was English, we could say like feliz, like something like this. I guess I don't really mean that could be so, but we in English, this one we say I, but they say E. Reason one is they read feliz. So feliz means happy. Let's go to another one. O. They pronounce the same way as we pronounce in English. There's not so much difference. O. So we have here the example, porta. O. Porta. It means what? Door. This is U. It's like feelings like it's good. It's U. So unha, pula. The vowels in Portuguese, they are pronounced so, and the usage too is the way I was showing it. So let's go back to practice the pronunciation. A, E, O, U. You can take time there at your home and pronouncing them as we're going to start here. For the next time, I'm going to bring the alphabet in Portuguese. So I want you to stay on so that you can miss